Rainforests for kids. What covers less than 3% of the Earth's surface, but is home to more than half of the world's animal species? Rainforests. What is a rainforest? A rainforest is a thick jungle which is warm, wet, and dense with heavy rainfall. Rainforests are essential to life on Earth. They help to maintain the fresh water supply and also provide oxygen to the atmosphere. For these reasons, the world's climate depends on rainforests. There are two different kinds of rainforests, temperate and tropical. Both are wet and rainy and have thick vegetation and lots of animal life. But they are different from each other too. Tropical rainforests are found closer to the equator, and temperate rainforests are found near the cooler coastal areas, farther north or south of the equator. Because of their location near the equator, tropical rainforests are warmer and average more rainfall than temperate rainforests. Rainforests are found on all continents of the world, except for Antarctica. The Amazon rainforest in South America is the world's largest rainforest. Fun fact, over 20% of the Earth's oxygen is produced in the Amazon rainforest. Because rainforests are so tall and dense, they are divided into 4 layers. Each layer receives a varying amount of sunlight and rainfall, and different types of plants and animals are found on each layer. Wow, that's amazing! Let's talk about each one. First up is the emergent layer, which is at the very, very top of the rainforest. Only the tallest trees can reach this layer. Animals and insects that live here include birds, butterflies, bats, small monkeys, and snakes. Next is the canopy layer. The canopy is like a roof to the rest of the rainforest, stopping most of the rain. Animals like sloths and monkeys, frogs, birds, and lizards all live here, along with other insects and snakes. The understory layer includes vines and other thick vegetation and does not get a lot of sunlight. Frogs, snakes, butterflies, and birds are the only creatures who tend to live there. Last is the forest floor. The forest floor is dark, damp, and does not have a lot of vegetation. Only about 2% of sunlight reaches the forest floor, which makes it a great hunting ground for animals like jaguars, gorillas, leopards, tapirs, tigers, and elephants, depending on where the rainforest is located. What lives in a rainforest? We have already mentioned many animals that live in the rainforest, but here are 3 of the most unique creatures that live there. Spider monkeys, toucans, and poison dart frogs. Spider monkeys are very large monkeys who like to hang upside down from trees. They look kind of like a spider and travel at very high speeds. They eat fruit and seeds from the forest's canopy, and they are in danger of becoming extinct. Toucans are colorful birds with large, vibrant beaks and short, thick necks who live in the holes in trees. Hey there, toucan! Their beaks are sharp enough to help them tear off pieces of fruit. They also eat lizards and small birds. They are important to the rainforest because they help scatter seed. Poison dart frogs have a very strong poison that is powerful enough to paralyze or cause death. One frog has enough poison to kill 100 people. Yikes! I guess it is a good thing they live in a place where there are not a lot of people. Humans also live in the rainforest. Many indigenous groups have been born and lived in the tropical rainforest for thousands of years. Unfortunately, these indigenous groups are on the decline because of diseases like smallpox and measles, which were passed on to them by people living outside the forests. Also, some of the land these groups live on is being taken over by governments and destroyed by logging, mining, and slash and burn farming. Why are rainforests important? There are many things that come from rainforests that are used every day throughout the world. Foods like pineapples, bananas, and coconuts all come from the rainforest. So do other items like sugar, nuts, bamboo, coffee, tea, rubber, and chocolate. Even spices like ginger, pepper, cinnamon, vanilla, and paprika. That's a long list from one remarkable place. Rainforests are extremely important to the Earth's ecosystem. Rainforests help recycle clean water. The trees and plants of the rainforest also remove carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, storing it in roots, stems, leaves, and branches. By doing this, it helps keep the Earth from becoming too hot. The rainforest is amazing. Ready to review? Here we go! How many kinds of rainforests are there? 2. Tropical and temperate. True or false? The rainforest has 4 different layers. True. They are the emergent, canopy, understory, and forest floor. Which continent does not have any rainforests? Antarctica. Over 20% of all the Earth's oxygen is produced by which rainforest? The Amazon rainforest. Radical job, rainforest rangers! Even though rainforests only cover a small area of the Earth's surface, they are a vital part of the planet's ecosystem. The next time you are near another kind of forest, you can compare and contrast what you have learned. And maybe one day, you can visit a rainforest in real life.